Hi Barry Cross, welcome back to my channel. In today's second splash review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that the bonus income within the done for you second splash funnel is converting, and why I recommend that if you're a second splash member, you join the bonus income, because I'm going to show you how you can get passive and referral income from this particular one income stream. And Second Splash is free to join. There'll be a link in the description. And a bit later on, I'm going to show you all the free tools and the free resources and training that our team give you so you can become successful with Second Splash. So this was a income I received from one of my referrals who went pro. They paid up front for the whole year, and it was a $97 commission. So the reason I'm showing you that is when I go into Second Splash here, you can see that in this column here, they're a pro member where it says true. Now, for privacy reasons, I'm blurring out the member's name and email address, but you'll see that the last 6 characters here, INDALE, are there of their name. What's relevant here, and I'll just show you why in the next screen. So they joined Second Splash on the 13th of December, and then as they've gone through the menu and had a look at all the different income streams, as a free member you can earn monthly recurring income streams, but the bonus income is a great way to really top up, earn referral and passive income as well. And that's with Easy Cash for Ads. Now, if you're not familiar with Easy Cash for Ads, it's been around since 2016, and it's owned by the same owners of Second Splash. And so they've very cleverly put that into the done for you funnel within the back office of Second Splash. And that enables you to earn an extra income stream called the bonus income. So if you come over here, so they joined on the 13th, and it says here they're a pro member. And what they've done, if I go on to the next screen here, you'll see they've joined Easy Cash for Ads through the Second Splash bonus income funnel. So on the 16th, which is 3 days later, you'll see the same digits, INDALE, of the surname. It's the same customer. So what the customer has done, they've gone into Second Splash and they've had a look at the bonus income and realized the potential of, by promoting Second Splash for free and the built-in done for you funnel, can earn you multiple income streams. Easy Cash for Ads is a one-time payment. There's no monthly recurring commissions. But if I go into my Easy Cash for Ads back office here, you'll see when I go into view your commissions that Easy Cash for Ads has paid me out 18 months in a row. This was the one that came in on the 16th. 18 months in a row, and $720 into profit. And these are all $10 payments, not only referral payments. $300 of this was came in through passive income as well. So you can see the power of just promoting Second Splash. First of all, joining for free. So I recommend you click the link in the description, you join our team. We're here to help and support and train you, and you can earn viral passive traffic, monthly recurring income as a free member, but this bonus income can really enhance your referral and passive income. So these are the free resources that we give you if you join our team. And this is the lead capture page. It's completely done for you. It's a completely done for you funnel and system. So we give you this lead capture page. It's just copy and paste in a few clicks, and then it will just auto populate, and you'll get your own link to promote Second Splash. And then once your prospects have opted in, they can get a done for you funnel and you'll get this done for you funnel exactly the same as this. So you put your Second Splash ID in the back of here. Your referrals will join, and they can even join Leads Leap. We do this funnel's created with Leads Leap. If you're not familiar with Leads Leap, it's a free lifetime membership. And then you can join Leads Leap and you can earn an additional monthly recurring income even as a free member as well. So we're just absolutely putting loads of monthly recurring payments into this funnel for you, even as a free member. And all you do is use these share codes here. So it's copy and paste using these share codes within Leads Leap. You'll get the lead capture page, you'll get the done for you funnel. And this 20-minute video here talks you through step by step how to set this up in the back of Leads Leap. So all you do is watch a little bit of the video. It's very beginner friendly. You take action. You watch your next bit, you take action. And if you're experienced affiliate market, it's a great funnel for promoting Second Splash and earning multiple income streams. So it's a step-by-step video tutorial how to set everything up, and do that by joining our Second Splash team. So even if you're an absolute beginner and you haven't made your first dollar online, first of all, you can get free viral passive traffic by promoting Second Splash. It's a high converting program because it's free. And then the customers are going through the funnel and they're upgrading. You'll see here, this was a $97 commission in one day when one of my referrals paid up front. But they're also joining Easy Cash for Ads in the bonus income and earning here multiple income streams. If I go and minimize this, you'll see here $720 came through here, and $300 of that was through passive income. So if you've got any questions, if you've enjoyed today's video, first of all, can you please give me a like? I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you've enjoyed today's video, please click subscribe and click the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week of new content, and I've got over 850 videos now on the channel. And if you've got any questions at all about Second Splash, about Easy Cash for Ads, about the commission structure, it's all pretty simple. You're just going to promote one link. You're going to get free viral passive traffic by promoting Second Splash. And then if anybody comes through your funnel and decides to upgrade, then you're going to get free commissions, you're going to get upgrade commissions. But if you want to join the bonus income, you will have to pay a one-time payment of $19. But you've seen there how that can really boost your commissions with you can also promote Easy Cash for Ads as a standalone offer on its own, which I've been doing for the last since last year. So I'm also going to put my email address in the description if you want to contact me or be mentored by me one-to-one. But I've been a little bit all over the place with this video, jumping from sort of screen to screen. And if you're brand new, you might be a bit overwhelmed with what's going on. Any questions, please ask those in the description. Please ask those in the comments, and I'll answer all your questions for you. And thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. Join Second Splash for free. The link's in the description. Come and join our team. We're here to help and support and train you, and become successful with Second Splash and Easy Cash for Ads. Thanks a lot for watching. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye for now.